Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning offensive words on and off on threads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Using the hidden words feature will hide offensive words in the comments you receive on threads. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. On your profile, tap the globe icon in the top left. Choose Hidden Words from the menu. Here, if you select On, below Offensive Words and Phrases, replies that you receive containing offensive words, phrases, and emojis will be hidden. If you select Off, then offensive words, phrases, and emojis in comment replies will not be hidden. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more threads, tips, and tricks.